exclusively for Jamaicans. High-end hotels for under $200 per night. Attractions on the north, south, and west coast. Ground transportation for an easy vacation travel. From Negril to Morant Point, experience Jamaica at great deals.
There are so many persons who choose to come to Jamaica over everything else. Why leave? Why want to leave? And we can get better, from my experience, we can get better value as a Jamaican.
Sweet Jamaica, sweet Jamaica, we not left ya. Love the ackee and my saltfish, we not left ya. Chop yam and banana, we not left ya. I'm a big flour dumpling, we not left ya.
The Jamaica Tourist Board is encouraging Jamaicans to vacation at home, and with a sweet encouragement.
Everybody can get a percentage off for their vacation if they stay right here in Jamaica. So they get between 10 and 50% off.
The promotion applies to all Jamaicans, even those living in the diaspora. International residents working here, such as members of the Diplomatic Corps, can also enjoy these sweet deals.
You can have your vacation in Kingston, Port Antonio, South Coast, Ocho Rios, Negril, Montego Bay.
Some 40 hotels, more than 10 attractions, travel agencies, air and ground transportation entities are offering great discounts to Jamaicans under the Jamaica Experience banner.
Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight.
Dozens of Jamaicans have already used the Experience Jamaica brand and gained major discounts at 5-star hotels and all-inclusive resorts. Meet the Bars. They just got back from their 10th anniversary vacay at Rio Ocho Rios.
It was about 78,000 and we got it at 53. So you're talking about roughly 27,000 thereabout in terms of a discount, and for the same time period, and a time period that we wanted. So that is a discount that we felt in our pockets because we could actually now put other cash in other resources.
The room was like fully loaded. I mean, it had its own bar, its own fridge, its own jacuzzi bath. I mean, no, I'm like...
A bar filled with all the
fridge
amenities.
had drink in there. And I was like shocked. I was like, are you serious?
They took excellent care of us as Jamaicans. And that for me was phenomenal. They gave us our own check-in line, our own checkout line. We would encourage every Jamaican to spend time within their country.
Most times persons would want to go abroad because they see the promotion, but we'd be surprised to know because we really have some really interesting places here that I would encourage Jamaicans to really take time out to get to know the country and the attractions that we have.
Jamaica, the land of beauty.
Another experienced Jamaica vacationer is bubbling with excitement at every memory of her great stay at Jamaica Grand.
As soon as I say I'm a Jamaican, they will say, okay. They will disregard the US amount and tell me Jamaican and actually give me a discount. And will say to me, this is not the usual rate, but because you're a Jamaican, I will give you at this rate. It would have been, when I checked it out, because their pass rate was like 400 and something. It worked out to be 150 per night. And I was getting like oceanfront view, 150 per night. So I was like, can I get 2 nights, please? The rooms were impeccable, the ambience, the customer service. You'd think that they would choose or they would treat us differently or treat me differently. They didn't. They were attentive. They were like, can I get you this? Do you want this? Can I take this for you? That is over there. That is over there. Do you need anything else? Like, you are the queen.
You too can have your own getaway at reduced rates. The JTB has it all worked out for you. Call one of the tour operators signed up on the Experience Jamaica initiative, Go Jamaica Travel, Leisure for Pleasure, or Tourwise Limited, and they will ascertain which hotels have the accommodation for the dates you wish to vacation. Or, if you so desire, you may book directly with a hotel. The Experience Jamaica promotion runs from April to December 15.
The fact that they took the time and set up this program, it made me feel good. And it should make all of us feel good as Jamaicans. We are able to explore and experience something that is not usually readily available to us. and at a discounted rate where our money is tight, we are going by a budget. It's very important.
We're saying eat Jamaica, taste Jamaica, love Jamaica, drink Jamaica, walk Jamaica, just chill Jamaica, and enjoy this incredible vacation value, which is for you.
If we had the money, we'd go back this week. And that is serious.
For more information on the Experience Jamaica promotion, call 929-9200 or click on visitjamaica.com/Experience Jamaica.
Jamaica, the land of beauty, loved by many tourists, yes. And if